One concept in. The media director is an LLM art director. Give it a single idea, and it writes a set of distinct, connected prompts. Not the same image with different seeds. Different images that belong together. Watch one line about a lighthouse keeper. And it plans the whole day. Dawn, the cliff path, the storm, the lantern room. Here's that plan rendered. 10 frames, one story. Same island, same keeper, same weather rolling in. Every image a different shot, because every prompt was a different sentence. This is Z Image Turbo, a few seconds per frame on one desktop GPU. The models are yours to choose. Z Image Turbo for speed, FLUX Dev for maximum quality, Krea for realism. Every one of them downloads right here with a progress bar, and every one of them runs locally. Need a graphic, not a photograph? Type Generate. The Infographic pipeline is tuned for one thing: seconds from idea to PNG. And when a frame earns a bigger canvas, the upscaler takes it to 4K or 8. 8 different super resolution models, including video, frame by frame. And everything you saw files itself into the library, automatically. Still images are half the story. Next episode, the same card making them move. One machine, no cloud.